Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Um, Greenville just had a update, and I'm gonna be checking it out today. So we'll see. They added 10 new cars. They added this whatever this like cab. It has a V6 trim, like so many V6 trims, V8 trims. There's a crew cab. There's an extended cab. So yeah, that's one out of them. 1 out of 10. This is what this looks to be. Yeah, no, it's a Honda. Some kind of Honda, probably. I don't know. I'm guessing the Integra, Spec Z, Spec X. Yeah, this might be the Integra. I don't know. Tell me in the comments. Um, this is. Wait, hang on. This also looks like the Integra. So I'm like, I don't know what to think here. Let me know down below. This is, oh God, it's all these. Why do all these cars look so similar? Uh, yeah, they all basically, I'm confused. Um, okay, we have a new Lambo. This is what's supposed to be an Aventador, I'm guessing. LP 930. Is this supposed to be the? I think this is supposed to be the SVJ. I'm guessing. Um, a Dodge Durango, uh, Bullline. I'm not sure what that is. Fury. Okay, yeah, this is definitely the Durango. Um, the Prancer, which is probably like I don't know, some kind of it's definitely a Charger. What am I doing? The police car. This is a Charger. Another Charger. Another Charger. This is E40. So what? This is probably the I forgot what it's called. Probably an E40, like actual E40, like the electric one. This is Series 40, which is 30T. Like, okay. The Grand Tour, same trends, pretty nice. Um, the W40, this is like, um, probably where did the, this is probably the M40. And we have, no, sorry, not this one. The, I mean, I know the minivan, but I'm guessing it's the, what's it called? The Chrysler Pacifica? It might be the Pacifica. Yeah, it actually might be the Pacifica. Uh, it might actually be the Pacifica. They added, oh wait, isn't, wait, the Opus. This was the near. the what am I saying? Lunar New Year car, Street 805, the Opus, the Sheriff, the Wisconsin, um, I don't know, they're both police cars, and then Coast, the Discounted Coast, which I'm guessing is some kind of Hyundai. So yeah, those are all the new cars. Um, so wait, like I had to check, like the Opus, um, see the Lunar Year. This one, so there is no point really buying another one. Um, Also in this update, they added a new element that I trying to left post. I just crashed into a lamppost. Like, bruh. Also in this update, they added like a automated car wash, so I'm gonna check that out. Uh, Meanwhile, I'll just drive around until I get there. Okay, we're here. Now all we have to do is, I don't know, just drive up to the car wash. Like, how's this gonna be automated? Wasn't it always automated? Like, I'm confused. Um, I am not straight. Like, what does it mean by automated? Like, yeah, I'm not too sure what actually changed with this. Like, uh, it's, yeah, it's still, I don't know why you want to get into the car wash. It's still like kind of the same. You can't go in here yet. I don't know why. Like, I wish you would add that. The prices stayed the same, and yeah, it's pretty much the same. So I'm not too sure what I'm not too sure what they changed, but if any of you guys find out like anything that changed with the car wash, make sure to tell me in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one.